Hello, this is a quick video presentation of the Gamewell FCI 7100 board for sale. This is being sold as is. I don't really have the history of it or anything like that, but we have it connected to a power cable. Let's just go ahead and plug it in and show you what it does. I hear relays clicking. It's mentioning missing some sensors, I believe. Because nothing's connected to it. There you go. That's pretty much it. It powers on. There you go. It clicked over again. System trouble. AC power on. And D26 is yellow right there. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for looking and have a good day.